Welcome, guys. It's in. Okay, we in another video. All 100 something videos. I never looked. I'm gonna show y'all right there. It's right there, I think. But here's the AFK grinder. It's super great and easy and cheap. I decided to use gold. It's way more easier. Yeah, it's way more easier. But if all you gotta do to get this LP grinder, you gotta get 50. I forgot what this called. 50 of these. Then for that, you gotta put this wheel to 5. The 5, 50. This gotta be on 50 blocks. Then you gotta put another wheel inside this angle like this. Then put it to 40. You gotta put the wheel thing. You gotta put it on max. Then you gotta have 5 of these right here. Then you gotta go down 2 blocks. Place the portal. Then you could actually, instead of using like jets and stuff. I gotta say this. Instead of using jets, you could literally, all you gotta do is just use this. No. All you gotta do is to go right here. All you gotta do is put a block, then place a chair right here. Place a chair, sit in it, and put a butter block inside you. Okay, I don't know why I said it like that. Do it like this. I messed it up, I think. No, I didn't. Now put one right here. Then I put this. That's all you gotta do. Then after that, don't go yet, cause I always be messing up on this. Every time I be watching videos of this, and my bad. I'll be messing up. I'll be like, I wanna do it real quick, but don't do that. Then now you gotta get a magnet. Okay. It's super easy. Okay, also new stuff on it's some new stuff. Press there. Then do this. And that's pretty much the whole thing. Oh wait, I'll turn this off for delete these two. Press this. That's pretty much, but you need something to hold it in place so it can actually move. But yeah, you gotta do this. Okay, I'm not doing it ever again, cause I already got you gotta turn around like this. You gotta go like this if you're on mobile. But it's not the best thing, but it's way more easy than getting this 4,000 on gold. I only spend hours to get the perfect one. I just looked on YouTube. I just seen this. It was 6 months ago. Bruh, I can't believe this. Bruh, I just found out. If you don't got on this tool, it'll be a lot more harder. But you gotta put like some like thin blocks and stuff. Like put a block on it, then place it onto that wall. Then like you gotta use the glitcher to show you and put it right there in between. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Okay, you gotta do this, bruh. Why ain't only just press the chair? Okay, I'm just gonna get out the chair. Finally. Okay, I'm almost like accidentally like push the thing. But all you gotta do is go down here. But if you don't like got this tool, you gotta do this. Use the whole thing and go right here. Then stop there. Then all you gotta do is go right here. Anchor. I'm just gonna put this on collision off. I like the little chair. But if you don't got this can be hard. It's gonna be extra hard if you don't got it. I know it's confusing, y'all, but y'all gotta do it. Y'all, I don't know what to say, but y'all have to do this. Okay, I literally just messed up. First of all, you gotta anchor all of this first. I keep forgetting. Oh my god, I'm already messing up the video. It's gonna get more confusing for y'all. My bad. But first of all, you gotta anchor all of them first. Okay, I just made my own other one just fell down, but I don't care. I don't want to like connect to the other one. That's why I did that. But if you don't got this like all you gotta do, just stop there, reset, then you just sit there. That's all you gotta do. I'll keep forgetting like y'all this too. Okay, there you go. Collision off. Put collision back on. No. There you go. How in the hell? Okay, I gotta put this. I gotta push this. Why? I gotta put that. Okay, finally I'm back on the ship. Collision on. Collision on. Bruh. My friend just deleted this show. I know I'm still making it difficult for y'all. But I'm not great like okay, I barely know what to say, but I'm not like a great person. So you can just grind. You just be AFK. You gotta have an auto clicker, but I don't got auto clickers. I'm on mobile. I don't know how to do that. But like, bro. Oh, I forgot. It might take a couple loops, but it's still gonna get the job done. It's way more easier. Yeah, cause you literally you gotta spend 300 gold to do this. That's it. 300 gold. Then that's it. Bye, guys. Peace.